In Taekwondo, we have always like dividing by weight and by age, but sometimes, for example, we are already know with whom we are fighting. With this reason, we should keep our body in a normal condition, in a normal weight. Sometimes we're already preparing for this fighting, and during the championship we get more weight, for example 5 kilos or 3 kilos, and we still lost it because if we prepare with another one, it will be so hard to go to fight the fighter for another one. So, but it's weight good. But if you have less weight, for example, if you're like 50 kilos, 45 kilos, it's for girls. Weight in Taekwondo up to 60 kilos. It's the best weights, but like the best weight is 50 kilos because you can jump high, you can control your body, your moves will be strong. But in Taekwondo, it's not just your weight. The main points are your speed, your power, and your correct point of beating. When your kicks are in correct way, in the right direction, you have more power and you have speed, you can win the game. Even you are not like, for example, you're just come for training for 1 year, or you're training for 2 years, and another person is training for 10 years. It doesn't matter, because for example in fightings, in the championships, nobody look on what kind of you have level, red level or black level. They can just put you with the black level. If you win the black level, you can just directly you will get the black level too, because you win already this person. But my advice is like this, that you should keep your body in one like normal weight, and you should not change your weight because you will already get adapted to this weight, and even your weight it's be like lower, it's better for you and for your heels and for your jumpings and for your kicks. But speed, don't forget about speed, about power, and about, of course, kicks.
Great, thanks.